Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS beginners to advanced. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS backgrounds. Choose CSS background properties for adding background effects to elements. In these chapters, you will learn about the CSS following background properties. Can you see? We're having background color, background image, background repeat, background attachment, background position, and background shorthand property. Once again, we will be discussing about background color, background image, background repeat, background attachment, background position, background shorthand properties. So I'm going to be exploring all these for you guys so you can be able to understand it. In our previous tutorial where we discussed about HTML beginners to advanced, we have covered this topic also, but in this chapter again, I'll be covering it in deep details. Please, I want you guys to know that you should practice everything I'm showing you guys, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do that, nobody will do that for you. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Until